Hello! We have arrived at an interesting section, classification and regression using supervised learning. In this section, we are going to learn about classification and regression of data using supervised learning techniques. We will see what the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning is. We will learn about pre-processing data using various methods. Also, we will look at label encoding and building a logistic regression classifier. Further on, we will be looking at naive Bayes classifier, confusion matrix, support vector machines, and building a classifier based on that. We will understand what linear and polynomial regression is and building a linear regressor for single variable and multivariable data. We will also estimate housing prices using support vector regressor. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with supervised versus unsupervised learning. In this video, we are going to see how supervised learning is different from unsupervised learning. One of the most common ways to impart artificial intelligence into a machine is through machine learning. The world of machine learning is broadly divided into supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning refers to the process of building a machine learning model that is based on labeled training data. For example, let's say that we want to build a system to automatically predict the income of a person based on various parameters such as age, education, location, and so on. To do this, we need to create a database of people with all the necessary details and label it. By doing this, we are telling our algorithm what parameters correspond to what income. Based on this mapping, the algorithm will learn how to calculate the income of a person using the parameters provided to it. Unsupervised learning refers to the process of building a machine learning model without relying on labeled training data. In some sense, it is the opposite of what we just discussed just now. Since there are no labels available, you need to extract insights based on just the data given to you. For example, let's say that we want to build a system where we have to separate a set of data points into multiple groups. The tricky thing here is that we don't know exactly what the criteria of separation should be. Hence, an unsupervised learning algorithm needs to separate the given dataset into a number of groups in the best way possible. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will learn about classification.